Hello friends, so I just reached first 1000 kilometers on this bike and it's time to do an oil change. So let's start. Now to drain oil we're gonna need to remove this bolt. It is 12 millimeters bolt, and then we're gonna need to change oil filter which sits here. I need to unscrew these two bolts. We are 8 millimeters and remove the stick. And now this is the filter. Okay, all oil is out. Now I should put this back. Perfectly, I should change this part, but it is brand new, so it will be okay. Now let's put new filter, and filter goes this way in, like this. Then this spring gonna hold this filter in place, and this cover, it goes like this. But you should check what kind of condition your this rubber sealant is. Mine is quite okay, so I'm gonna use the same one, but if yours is not very good condition, just change it. I'll just wipe it off a little bit, dirt. Alright, let's put it together. Okay, filter spring. And now we can start adding new oil. This engine uses 0.9 liters of oil. So I will add probably like 800 milliliters and then slowly top it off to the 09. All right. That is beautifully looking oil. Right, so it's 200 and a little bit more. So now actually I added about 0.9 liters of oil. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna screw dipstick into the engine, then turn engine on, let it idle for like 30 seconds, maybe 1 minute, switch it off, wait a couple minutes, and then do a last check, oil check. Okay, let's do the final check. By the way, when you're measuring oil level, don't screw your dipstick in, just put it like this and that's it. And yeah, perfectly up to the top. So now we're done with the change, and we're gonna need to reset kilometer counter. Service counter actually, not kilometers.